The virus has now spread to 62 countries.
Do you know where the dirtiest place in your house
The kitchen
is?
sink can have up to 500,000.
96% of shoes were found to have fecal
Billions
matter.
and billions of
Mold
bacteria.
is actually
for new deaths.
cluster of towns.
Restrictions will be in place across the United States.
Do you think your surroundings are clean? There are more than 800 million viruses and bacteria around you every day. But don't worry, we have the solution for you. Introducing MediQ. 100% no alcohol, non-toxic, sterilizing and deodorizing device that will replace all your household cleaning products. Confused if your cleaning devices might be harmful to your children or pets? Worried if it is toxic on vegetables and fruits? MediQ is 100% alcohol-free and non-toxic. You can use MediQ almost everywhere. Use it to wash your fruits, clean your toilet, children's toys, and sterilize your dog's bed. It also works as a deodorizer. MediQ applies electrolysis on salt and water, producing a hypochlorous acid that is similar to bleach. It can kill germs and bacteria, but as it is completely natural, it is also suitable for cleaning baby items and food. FDA has certified that hypochlorous acid is safe for cleaning food. We have also performed various lab testings and proven that MediQ can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria. MediQ is extremely easy to use. Add tap water, add salt, press the button and wait for a few minutes. After a while, your MediQ solution is ready to use. It's that easy. MediQ, fast sterilizing antivirus device.